Hey guys, welcome back to Homestead Prepping and Survival. Well, I didn't get it all done, but I got this side of it all raked out, all the leaves out, and added to the scatter pile out here. Anyway, I need to do the other part, but I got the worst. And they have just destroyed this grass over here. I know winter's is dying back, but they have literally destroyed it. I don't know that grass will come back. So I'll probably not let them out for the next few weeks and see if that grass will come back a little bit. Depends on what weather we get. We've been having pretty mild weather, so some of it may start to come back. But either way, what it's telling me is I'm going to have to, if I run this many chickens, which I'm planning on doing that plus a little bit. Oh, roosters. I'm planning on running at least 30 all the time, so I'm probably going to have to double the size of this chicken run. And if I'm going to add to it, I'm going to come out probably another 6 feet or so this direction across here and all the way down, and then go down another 12 to 15 feet and back around to the back corner there. Can't really make it any bigger than that without getting them in the fruit orchard, which I don't want them in, and I don't want it any closer to where my water tower is going to be. So I know this is a little short video for you guys, but I have felt a little better today. I figured I'd go ahead and rake a little bit. I still have not collected the eggs for today, which I went in there and put hay in earlier. So I only saw like 4 or 5 eggs, so it's not that many. I dumped the old baked macaroni pan dish out here and some dressing that was left over. It's been in the fridge. I just haven't felt like cleaning the fridge out, so I dumped a bunch of it earlier, and they have destroyed all but those 2 little clumps there. And they'll get it. But anyway, he's over there chewing on what's left of his chew toy. I cleaned and filled his water earlier. His food's full. And Sweet Pea's been following me around all day, even though I fed her at lunchtime today, and she still got food in her dish. So anyway, guys, I do appreciate y'all watching. Hope y'all are having a great week. And don't work too hard, but earn your keep, as the old folks say. Y'all be good. Remember the 2 things I always tell you. Jesus Christ loves you, and so do I. Y'all be safe. Be prepared.